Ano po yung status ba ng impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara? Na-refer na po ba ito sa committee ninyo?
Not yet, Katunying, no? Based on report, nakita ko lang over the weekend or last Friday. Transmitted already by the Office of the Secretary General yung dalawang impeachment complaint against the Vice President to the Office of the Speaker. After that, wala pa akong ibang nakita. I will check when I go back to the House of Representatives today.
So hindi ninyo alam kung totoo itong sinasabi ni VP Sara na yung mga information o yung complaint sa kanya ay hindi kasama, walang kalakip na ebidensya.
I have not seen, Jerry, the only occasion na makikita namin ito ay kapag na-refer na sa Justice Committee, no? So let us remind the Filipino people from Speaker, we have 10 days going to the plenary, and then from plenary, that's session days. From plenary, we have 3 days going to the Justice Committee. And rest assured, sa atin pong beloved countrymen, kung paano po natin mabilis na dininig, pinag-aralan, nirepaso ang impeachment complaint laban sa Pangulo, we will be observing the same parameter, the same deliberation pagdating po sa impeachment complaints laban sa ating pangalawang Pangulo.
So hindi niyo pa pwedeng sabihin if we are referring to the same complaint na i-file a year ago, tapos yung i-file ngayon mukhang wala rin naman halos pagkakaiba, pwede niyo ba sabihin na yung impeachment complaint versus VP Sara is sufficient in form and in substance?
It's hard to say, Katunying, until we have seen the physical copy of the impeachment complaint with its attachments, of course.
So,